Legendary war hero, Air Commodore Mahmood Alam's record of shooting down 5 Indian warplanes in less than a minute, the last 4 being within 30 seconds, on the 7th of September 1965, remains unbeaten till date. During the 1965 Pakistan-India War, Alam, nicknamed as Little Dragon, while piloting an F-86 Sabre, shot down 5 Indian Hawker Hunter aircraft in less than a minute, establishing a world record. Altogether, he downed 9 Indian warplanes and 2 probables in the aerial combat. Alam's record assured his place as one of the great aces of the jet age. The war hero was born on July 6, 1935 in Calcutta and was the eldest of 11 siblings. Alam will always be remembered as a national hero for Pakistan for his remarkable show of brilliance in the War of 1965.
Professional level, without hesitation, I would say, were extremely high. A young Air Force, 19 years on since independence. Our commanders were young, both Marshal Noor Khan Azhar Khan, were less than 40. The age at about, now people become OC wings. I was myself about 30. There's no doubt about it that we were experienced and we were aggressive.
In recognition of his unrelenting courage and valor, he was awarded the Satara Jurat with Bar. His major appointments included air gunnery and tactical instructor at Fighter Leader School, commanding officer of No. 11, No. 5 and No. 26 squadrons, director operations, assistant chief of the air staff, flight safety, and assistant chief of the air staff, plans, at the air headquarters. Alam retired as an air commodore in 1982. The hero of the Pakistan-India 1965 war, who inspired several generations to join armed forces, died in Karachi on the 18th of March 2013 at the age of 77.